Here, Madison, pay attention, man. Here, you want screw? Yep. Wow, bravo! We put another one.
What is that?
It's your badge. When you go home, you show it to mommy. Here. It's your badge that you did it by yourself. Here. It's itching? Here. Harder. You need to push it harder. Push it in and tighten it like that. Good. Yeah, push it. Wow. Wow. See? All done. Okay, next one. We need to do this one too. See? Do this one. No. Put it down. If you're not using the tool, you need to put it down and be careful with it, okay? You don't hurt yourself, okay? Huh? You want to do it? Okay, I'm just gonna put it for you, then you're gonna put it. Here, Madison, here. Screw it. Watch here, Madison. Pay attention. Push it and turn. Yeah, push. Good. Harder. Push it harder. Good. Wow. Good. Bravo. That's good. Let's put another one. Where's the other one? Yeah, we're almost done.
Go to the top.
Mm-hmm.
This one goes. Back to the rocket.
I cut myself. Here, Maddie.
Done. I'm the one you could do.
Cut myself. See? Yeah, after we're gonna paint. Voila. Okay. The next one. Okay, tell me the next one. What are we supposed to do? Yeah. Okay, we're supposed to put the tie. Tie here. We put it here. Yeah, for the rocket shape. Voila. Yeah, we put it in here. Okay, first we put it so like this. Might is saying stop the noise. There are 5. Loop a rubber band around the 2 opposite ends. Okay, you put rubber band here. Stop. See, you push it down here. And you put this voila. Then you put your rocket here. The rocket, we need to design it. See, we're gonna put this one on it. Yeah, we need to painting tape. If painting the project, don't paint the slot.